Mr. Semsem, a cheerful, seasoned English teacher known for his creative lessons with a knack for bringing lessons to life. Adapted scenario-based tales are created to highlight teaching techniques implemented by my own persona, Mr. Semsem.
The English Detective. Episode 2. Vocabulary Lesson. Marketing.
Mr. Semsem's Vocabulary Adventure, Marketing Made Simple. Mr. Semsem, a seasoned English teacher with a passion for engaging lessons. The students, a group of 12 adult learners, B1 level, diverse in backgrounds and professions. Step 1. Setting the context. Good evening, everyone, Mr. Semsem began, projecting an image of a busy marketplace. Look at this picture. What comes to mind when you hear the word marketing? Advertising, said Sarah, a graphic designer. Selling products, added Ahmed, an entrepreneur. Promoting services, chimed in Lena, a social media manager. Excellent, said Mr. Semsem. Marketing is all about connecting products or services to customers. Today, we'll learn 12 key marketing terms you can use in your jobs. Step 2. Presenting the vocabulary. Using colorful flashcards, Mr. Semsem introduced each term with a definition, an example, and a relevant image. 1. Brand, a company's identity, like Apple or Nike. 2. Target audience, the group of people you want to reach. 3. Advertisement, ad, a way to promote your product. 4th campaign, a series of actions to achieve a marketing goal. For each word, he paused to ask the students questions. What brands do you know? Who is the target audience for a luxury car? The students eagerly answered, relating the terms to their real-life experiences. Step 3. Practicing the vocabulary. Mr. Semsem then divided the class into small groups and gave them a task. Imagine you're launching a new product, a phone, a snack, or even a service. Use at least 6 of today's words to create a short marketing pitch. Each group brainstormed ideas. Ahmed's team chose a smart water bottle. Lena's group created a campaign for a mobile app. Mr. Semsem walked around listening and offering help. When one group struggled to use slogan, he gave an example. A slogan is a catchy phrase. Think of Nike's Just Do It. What would be your slogan for a healthy snack? Stay fit, stay fun, they replied, grinning. Step 4. Role play and feedback. After 20 minutes, each group presented their marketing pitch to the class. One group showcased an ad for a smart shopping app, while another promoted a solar-powered charger. Great use of target audience and brand awareness, Mr. Semsem said after one pitch. But remember, a slogan should be short and memorable. How about power your day anywhere for your charger? The class applauded, appreciating the constructive feedback. Step 5. Wrap up and reflection. To conclude, Mr. Semsem handed out a worksheet with a mix of definitions, fill-in-the-blank exercises, and a short paragraph to complete using the new vocabulary. He ended the lesson with a reflective question. How can you use these words in your work or daily life? Ahmed replied, I'll use campaign and slogan for my next product launch. Lena added, these terms will help me explain ideas to my international clients. Teaching skills demonstrated 1. Contextualization, introducing vocabulary through relatable examples. Second, engagement, using visuals, real-world examples, and group tasks to make the lesson dynamic. 3. Scaffolding, breaking down new words into manageable chunks, providing examples, and guiding practice. Error, correction, gently correcting mistakes and reinforcing correct usage during presentations. 5. Real-world application, connecting vocabulary to students' professions and goals. Questions for trainee teachers. 1. How did Mr. Semsem make the vocabulary lesson relevant to his students' needs? 2. What techniques did he use to ensure active participation? 3. How would you adapt this lesson for students with different proficiency levels? For a CELTA-based planning for the same topic, find attached in the description.